Hello and welcome to CAD Studios. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to use visibility parameter in a dynamic block. The objective of this tutorial is to convert multiple block objects to a single dynamic block. Now, let's get started. I have four block objects which I want to turn into a single dynamic block object. The first block is WC of 500 by 690 mm. That's my water closet. And this is showing WHB, my washing basin of 600 by 600. And this right here is showing beaded of 375 by 565. And I also have a urinal of 300 by 245. Now I want to convert all these blocks into a single dynamic block. The first thing I'm going to do is to create a new dynamic block. Type B, enter, specify a name for your block definition. Let's say I want to name it sanitary fittings. I will uncheck this, and this, but I'm going to leave open in block editor checked and click OK. This is our block editor window, and this over here is our authoring palette, which can be used to add parameters and actions to our block definition. If this palette box is closed on your screen, you can click right here to open. Now let's bring in our first block, which is WC, that's my water closet, of 500 by 690. Type insert and press enter. Open your block from this dialog box. WC 500 by 690. I will uncheck all these items and click OK. The next thing is to add my visibility parameter. So click on visibility. I will select and right click to rename my visibility parameter. Go to properties. Now change the visibility name to, let's say, sanitary fittings. Now you can close the property bar. Your visibility bar will be displayed here. I have my visibility state, visibility mode, make visible, make invisible, and I have what I call visibility layer as well. Click on visibility state. By default, you have this. Click on rename and enter WC 500 by 690. Now click on new and enter name for the second block you want to add. I want to add WHB, that's my washing basin, 600 by 600. Now make sure hide all existing objects in new state is checked. Then click OK. Our visibility layer is showing WHB 600 by 600. Now type insert, enter, specify the name of the block you want to insert. WHB 600 by 600. Okay. Now I have two different block objects. Click on visibility state for the third object. Click on new. Type the name of your block. Beaded 375 by 565. Click on OK. insert your block into this layer. Beaded 375 by 565. Okay. I will have to repeat the same step for the last block I want to add. Visibility states, new, arena 300 by 245. Okay. Now insert the block into this layer as well. Arena 300 by 245. Okay. Now let's click our visibility layer. So now I have all my 4 block objects right here. Close the block editor and save. Now we can delete all these objects and insert our dynamic block. Type insert, open your block from the list, sanitary fittings. Okay. So I'm going to check specify on screen and click OK. Next, the object. Click on the visibility grip and you will find all the block you added. You can have as many blocks as possible in a single dynamic block, depending on the size of your project. Thanks for watching.